What is up guys, Alex here from Tech Labs, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Tenoshare's iPhone data recovery program for both Mac and PC. So this program comes really useful in some situations, and right now I'm just going to say why. So Tenorshare specialists came up with a few reasons why you need that program and in which situations that will come useful to you. So first of all, deleted important data from the iPhone by mistake. So if you deleted some data from the iPhone by mistake, then this program can recover all that files. Then your iPhone is damaged, lost, or stolen. Yes, it can be there is a data that can be taken from a iCloud storage or from your iTunes backup without any iTunes need. So it works without any iTunes help. So the next one is iPhone stuck in a black white screen of death. iPhone is inaccessible. Yeah, it's also possible to recover that data from your iPhone with no need of any third-party program, but only this one. Then too many data on the iPhone. Want to back up iPhone data to computer. Yeah, this actually comes really handy when you have tons of photographs and you want to import them into different library or to your computers. But yeah, so this one comes really useful here. Also, lost important files on the iPhone after iPhone jailbreak or factory restore. This one is also a major reason here. Then iOS ID update caused data loss from the iPhone. Also, in this situation, this program will help you. And forgot iPhone lock screen passcode. Yeah, well, I don't know any people that have forgotten their iPhone lock screen passcode, but you know, sometimes you forgot it. It's a new password, and you just don't remember this password at all, and you don't know what to do. But this program allows you to recover all your files without even touching this passcode on your iPhone. So yeah, right now guys, we're gonna go into this program and I will show you what you can do with it. So let's go there to our launch pad here, and we'll see that iPhone data recovery looks like that. And one last thing guys, I forgot to say that Tenorshare actually offering that program for free, but you can pay more for special features, but really useful features there. And but right now we're gonna have a full featured program with all of the features inside. So let's connect our device and we're gonna begin discovering this program. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in our USB cable and plug in my iPhone 5. Let's see what it does. Alright, that's fine, and yeah, it says iPhone 5 is connected. That's super cool. It knows which iPhone I actually connected. Now we start scan. Now let's see if we can recover any data or see any data what's on my iPhone. You know, this program is really useful if, for example, your iPhone screen is damaged and you cannot see anything at all, but you need some important stuff from that iPhone. So you go to this program, you download it, and you see there lots of information. So scan completed, please select files for recovery, and there you have it. We have lots of the files there, especially photographs. I see that is the most important stuff. I think the photographs and the contacts. That's super cool. But before we're gonna recover anything, I just want to mention that there are several ways to recover all your data. As I said previously, there's the iTunes version. You basically can recover all of the data from your iTunes backup without any use of iTunes. Then the iCloud backup, basically you recover your photographs and files from your iCloud backup. And right now we are using this recovery data from the iOS device directly through our iPhone. So I don't know, but this one is probably the best way right now if, for example, our screen is completely damaged. So yeah guys, let's move on to recovery of the data, and let's see if we can see some data from there. Yeah, basically here we have one call history, and there is just one call that I was doing, like I don't remember when, but actually there is a duration, a type. This is an incoming call, and let's see, yeah, date time. So as I said, I don't remember when, but it was on this date here, and the time also, this is kind of important, and the phone number and unknown. Unfortunately, yeah, I just don't remember which phone was that. Let's move on to the contacts. There we have our contacts on my iPhone. I have just a few, and one from Viber, then Erica's contact, and actually unknown, a few unknown contacts, but they are imported. Why they are unknown? They are actually imported from the Viber applications, so that's why it's unknown. It's because I just typed in any numbers and I tried to call there, but it was a mistake number, so I couldn't do anything. But I thought it's the legit number of my friend. But anyways, that's why it's unknown. But if you call to Erica or somebody you know, it will display that you're calling to somebody you know. Okay, so let's see Safari. There we have our bookmarks, important bookmarks. Sometimes yeah, you want to have all your websites on your screen in Safari, so you can basically also recover all of them. Then we have a calendar. Yeah, there is my birthday there. Yeah, super cool. We can basically also import some calendar events from our calendar app. Then reminders. There were few reminders, as you can see, just deleted from my iPhone, so we can also recover all of them. And now let's move on to the camera roll. There we have some photographs of mine, and as you can see here, we have 4 photographs and here 16. You know why? Because here in other photographs, it is taking all of the photographs available on your iPhone, possible photographs, any sort of photographs, and just put it into the a single library, and that makes it so much better because I can see all of the photographs in there. So let's go there and you will see that I even have some albums here, so the picture of the album, and it's super cool. So if you like the picture of an album, for example from the Apple Music, you may download it from here. So that's super cool. One voice memos. There we have some voice memo that I recorded probably a few days ago. And yeah, the most important part, guys, here, it starts right here. This is app data recovery. So basically, all of those apps are supported by this whole program, and you can recover deleted messages from Messenger, then Viber calls, then WhatsApp attachments and stuff. So lots of different sort of information, but really important in some situations. So as you can see here, I was calling to my friend Maverick, and I was doing this in here at this specific time, and this is the outgoing call, and you can basically recover this sort of information. So now, guys, we're gonna go and recover some of the important information to me and see how it looks like on our computer. So let's go into, well, probably here. Yeah, let's just recover this specific call here. We just tick it here and then click recover, and yeah, and that's it. So yeah, it's that simple, guys. So you go to this folder here. You can basically drag it onto your desktop if you want, but later I will show you how to change the output settings. So here we have an iPhone. There is the date when this was recovered probably, and then the voicemail, we see that, and it was the Tenorshare iPhone data recovery files. Let's open this up and we will see that it's named Maverick. I was calling to Maverick. This is his phone number, date and time and stuff. So basically this can be recovered from your iPhone really easily with that program. So now, guys, I want to show you that it's also possible to save all of this information in different files. So here you have a call history and contacts and messages and different lots of stuff, and we are currently by default exporting all of those information in .xls file. So if you cannot read, or your computer cannot read this XLS file, then you'll be able to click on different format and export it in a different format. And also, what is important is that there is a location, your location that you can put there. For example, desktop here, because this is a default location for me, and open, and there is an option of opening the output folder when the task is finished. So this is pretty unique that you can actually export your file to any location you want. And the most important stuff is that there are different formats for that import. So yeah, guys, the one last thing that I want to mention is that one really cool feature is in photographs, available in photographs, and maybe in calls also. Let's see. Yeah, basically you can print, let's see, preview. Yeah, you can print all your calls or contacts or any sort of information via just pressing, ticking the right contacts or information and then click print. You can preview this whole page that's going to be printed and then print it for yourself. But what's more is that you can actually you can actually print all of your photographs from here directly to yourself. So don't worry about losing all those photographs. You can make them real, not just on your computer virtually. And yeah, guys, so that's basically it for today. Make sure you visit that link at tenorshare.com. You can go to the product here. You can choose a version for your iPhone or a Mac here. So you may also check out their other products. For example, a video converter for Mac if you're a YouTuber or you're dealing with some video stuff. Also a card reader recovery for Mac. This was really useful in some time. And also, yeah, different products like this, they are really useful, and yeah, so good. Anyway, guys, that's probably it for today, and thanks everybody for watching. This was Alex with you from Tech Labs, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.